Hi guys, my name is Alina and this is my Healthy Instant Pot Recipes YouTube channel. And this is my friend Joy. And today we're gonna show you how to use an Instant Pot. Hi guys, hey guys, hey guys. Yeah, me too. Joy has 3 kids and she is a working mom and she needs Instant Pot.
Yeah. I've never used one before. I haven't even seen one before.
And I'm sure many of you have their Instant Pots in their box, which is kind of like we need to get it out of the box. Okay?
Yeah, I was just talking to a girlfriend today and she said she got one for her wedding and it's still in the box.
Yes, I hear that from people all the time, so let's do it. You open the box.
Okay.
With a knife. Step 1. People, this is a very important step.
I don't trust you with a knife. I mean, I do trust you.
Okay. We're opening the box. All right. And it has even a handle. You can get it out of the box.
Easier than that.
Oh. Okay. Whew. So this is the cheapest version of Instant Pot Luxe, and it's 6 quart here.
There's different sizes of these?
Yes, I have 8 quart and we can show that one too. Anyways, this is Luxe, is the most basic and cheapest Instant Pot. Let's open another box. Here we have manual.
This is important.
Yes,
I'll read it.
you take that. All right, you hold the box.
This looks like a rice cooker.
But it's not. But it can cook rice too, and pressure cook.
Pretty much a rice cooker.
It is not.
Okay, show me how it works.
Yes.
There's lots of buttons.
Lots of buttons, and you're gonna use only 1 or 2. So first thing you do, you plug it in. Can you do that? Let's see. You can do that. You plug it in. Now we're gonna go and go over the buttons. So this is easy. This is not a rice cooker. This is pressure cooker.
Freaking out a little bit.
No. So this is the thing. I think Instant Pot confuses people with all these buttons. These are all the functions it can do, like soup. It can do stew, cake. I don't know. I never make cakes in Instant Pot. Eggs, saute. That's a good button. Rice, so this is your rice cooker.
Okay.
And all these buttons, steam, slow cook. So it can be slow cooker, pressure cooker, and rice cooker. But I only use it for pressure cooking and I literally use 2 buttons. So to pressure cook.
You have me in steam.
No, you don't need it. You can just, steam is just a fancy name for their 1-minute pressure cooking. That's all it is. Yeah, you're gonna use 2 buttons, okay? Manual, that's pressure cooking. So you just press to pressure cook. Just press manual and then you go plus or minus time, let's say 20 minutes, and it's gonna start on its own. See, it's on. It means it started. You can also do keep warm. So let's say you want to cook something and you want to keep it warm and it keeps it warm for like 10 hours after it cooked.
Really?
Yes.
This is useful.
Yes.
So you don't overcook something.
Exactly. Or it's warm, let's say you made it in the morning, you went somewhere, and actually if you went somewhere, let's say you can delay start for something. Let's say oatmeal, you wanted to cook half an hour before you wake up. So that's when you use delay start. And you delay it by, 7 hours, 8 hours. So then it starts pressure cooking just before you wake up. And so all you use really is manual and saute. So you can saute inside before pressure cooking. Let's say you want to saute ground meat.
You don't need to make dirty your dishes.
No, everything is in one. So let's say you need to saute ground meat to break it up. So you just saute and then you cook. Super easy. Okay. And this is the lid. And this is how you open. You put your hand in here. Yes. But before we do that, let's go over the valve. So this is the pressure valve. All you have to know is when you're pressure cooking, you want it to have on sealing position.
Okay.
So once you put your food and water in there and steam creates pressure, and then this is the float valve that pops up,
Okay.
it means the pressure is there.
Okay.
And you want to have it on sealing. So you closed everything.
So there's sealing and there's venting.
Yeah, and after food is cooked, to release the pressure, you just turn it like this and it vents. And that's it. And that's where you don't put your fingers here, you don't put your face like that to look. That would be a bad idea. Yeah. Right. So now let's open and see what's inside.
Ooh.
See, it says close and open arrows. And it makes this sound. There we go. Yeah. So now the lid. I want to go over the lid. So those are the valves. And you have the silicone ring.
Okay.
And you always have to have it here to seal for pressure. You can remove it to clean, and you can replace it after a few years because it's kind of like silicone, right? It breaks down, so sometimes it stops sealing, but that's like down the road in a couple of years. But after cleaning, just make sure to pop it back in so it seals the pressure.
Got it.
Yeah, and you can put the whole thing in the dishwasher.
Not the lid, just the...
Yeah, everything.
Really?
Yes. We have a video how to clean your Instant Pot. Anyways, yeah, just see, make sure you put it back in. Okay, so
This
inside,
is like Christmas.
yeah, this is like Christmas. This is measuring cup, well, whatever. So this is the trivet. So let's say if you want to cook roast or chicken breast, or to thaw frozen ground beef, you put water in there, trivet, and you put food on a trivet so your meat is not sitting in the water and boiling.
I didn't know that's what it was called, a trivet.
A trivet, yeah.
I'm learning so much from
Yeah.
you.
So this is stainless steel, and this is inner pot. You can take it out. You can put it in a dishwasher. You can put it on a stove to warm up food. You can put it in the oven. There is a silicone lid, so after cooking, you just close.
This is an add-on.
Yeah, this is add-on. There is Instant Pot one. I just got this one at a conference. I have Instant Pot one different size too. So you put it in the fridge like this, just like it just goes like.
So convenient.
Yeah, so you don't have to use another storage container. So then I want to show you. So on the bottom is the heating element.
This looks like, guess what?
Oh, rice cooker.
A rice cooker.
So yeah, it's the same. See, it's easy peasy.
Okay.
Make sure you don't put food right in here. You have to use the pot.
That.
And last thing, honestly, last thing you need to know is, and we will show you. Okay, so the steam collector. So this is my Instant Pot Duo 80, which is 8 quarts. So see the difference between 6 quart and 8 quart? It's bigger. For a family of 5.
Really?
Yeah. And this is the steam collector that you just take out. See it collected. I was making a recipe. And you just take it out, rinse it, wash it, dump it, and put it back. It's super easy. See, there is like a hole, and it goes in there. And here it doesn't. So I guess new Instant Pot Lux 6 quart doesn't have that. So, and the only, oh, smells this food, good. The only difference between Lux and Duo is, I would say, the yogurt fraction. So if you're not gonna make yogurt.
I'm not gonna make yogurt, but I'm gonna make a lot of food.
So I would go with Lux 8 quart. It's gonna be cheaper.
Lux 8 quart?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, let's show. Ta-da.
But this one looks way bigger.
It is bigger because it fits more food. And the thing about Instant Pot, when pressure cooking, see how it says PC max,
Yeah.
2/3? When pressure cooking, you cannot fill it up past this line because there should be some room left to create pressure. Yeah.
Physics.
Yeah.
There's a recipe booklet.
Yeah, there is a recipe booklet.
Well, you know what's good about this? Because I love cooking, but I don't enjoy coming up with the recipes.
Well, then you go on iFoodReal.com.
Oh.
So now we're gonna do water test, and that's what the manual tells you to do. You always wanna do a water test before cooking anything first time to make sure Instant Pot works. All right, so open the lid.
Oh.
Joy's gonna do water test.
My first water test.
Yeah. Then you add 3 cups water, roughly.
This is 3 cups.
I think so.
Oh.
Okay, now close the lid. And see, yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh, you're a natural. Okay.
It's so easy. It's so easy.
See, now make sure your valve is to sealing, always.
This is where probably some people forget to do this.
Yes, and then the steam starts coming out, and then it cannot come to pressure, and that's when people notice, and then they will put it to sealing.
It's pretty easy.
Yeah, it is all easy.
Okay.
I don't know why people have it in the box. And now we're gonna push some buttons.
Yeah.
So now you just press steam for 2 minutes. Yeah.
Steam, it's at 10.
Yeah.
Oh, so fun.
That's it.
Start?
Yeah. No, it's gonna do on its own.
I feel like it's kind of microwave.
Yeah. Easy.
Healthier.
Yes. See, it's so easy. There you go. It's on, and that's all you have to do. So now it's gonna start to come to pressure, we will see. So what's gonna happen now, the heating element at the bottom is gonna boil the water in the pot, it's gonna create steam and pressure valve pin is gonna pop up, and then it's gonna seal, the 2 minutes will beep, and it's gonna steam pressure cook, and then it's gonna say off, and that's it. And that's after that you release the pressure.
So it brings it to pressure first and then steams for 2 minutes.
Yes. So now, because it had keep warm, it shows you L and countdown how long it keeps it warm. So if you see L, it means it's keeping it warm. If we didn't press keep warm, it's just gonna say off, and that's it. Okay, now release the pressure.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's
Just
fine.
put it to venting. That's it.
Fine. Not scared at all.
You just turn it to venting, and that's it.
It wasn't.
So when the pin is down, the pressure pin, it means it's safe to open.
Okay, so if it's up, you gotta continue venting.
Exactly.
Will it let you open it?
No, it will not let you open it. Instant Pot is smart.
Okay,
Easy.
so now the pin's down so I can turn it.
Yes. See, and it says close. There are arrows close and open. Yes.
Woohoo! Okay, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah, and it's good to go like flip the lid. Yes, so the steam collects here, so it's not dripping all over, and you can just put it down.
Okay.
And see, it steamed water, basically pressure cooked it and boiled. Yeah. So that was it. That's how you use Instant Pot. What do you think? What does Joy think?
I'm excited. I think it helps with time and seems easy to use, easy to clean.
Was it easier than you thought?
Yeah. I didn't, honestly, I had no expectations because I had never, I've heard of it, people talking about it, you talked about it, but I haven't seen it, used it, but
It's not bad.
looks good. I'm excited. Let's cook something.
Yeah, let's cook something. Next video. Yeah. But anyways, for now, I hope you enjoyed.
High five!
Oh yeah.